Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your GitHub account with Claude.ai. So this method is the best for including GitHub files in your chats or project as context. So let's do that. Okay, let's go to the left hand sidebar. At the bottom you will see your name. So click on it and then let's go to the settings. Then from here, from the side menu, select connectors. And you will see directly here GitHub integration. And on the right side, you will see connect. So click on that. Just like that. It will automatically basically generate this connection. You just need to authorize it. And now we are connected, if I'm not mistaken. So what we need to do now basically is just we can go to the new chat right here and we can add connectors to our text input. So this is the way we can connect Claude with GitHub. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.